Hi, I'm John Treadgold for the Finance News Network, and joining me from eCargo is the company's chairman, Mr. John Lau, and CEO, Mr. Chris Lau. Gentlemen, welcome to FNN.
Thank you.
Mr. Lau, congratulations on today's listing on the ASX. Now, your company operates a one-stop solution for fashion retailers and international brands looking to sell their wares into the immense Chinese online shopping marketplace. Can you tell us about your unique combination of infrastructure, logistics and marketing?
eCargo has developed a full range of services to facilitate e-commerce trading in China. Comprising of e-commerce IT, the front end, middleware, and the back end, of technology and systems. E-operations, managing stores, the brand side stores in China, as well as stores in the marketplaces such as Tmall and other marketplaces in China. E-support, we call it e-support service, or the production, services that we can provide, particularly on studio. Videos and still and model, photography, e-marketing, and where China is particularly strong, in social media for the netizens. So we have a special division, looking after social media marketing and e-fulfillment and DC operations, and for the stock, of each and every brand, and deliver them, to final consumers.
This deep knowledge of Chinese culture and logistics is a key service. Can you tell us a little bit about the company and the group as a whole?
I myself, have started up a company called Cargo Services Far East for about a quarter of a century, and we have been very much focused on what is called retail supply chain and retail logistics, and that is why Australia has been our first international market, and we started servicing Woolworths, as soon as we started the company back in 1990. So we can and be considered as very strong, in the supply chain and logistics services from China as well as the whole of Asia, to Australia, to UK, Europe, Middle East, South Africa, South America, and North America.
And Chris, how many merchants do you actually serve?
Thank you, John. We currently have 28 merchants. 10 of those are what we consider Tier 1 merchants, and 18 of those are Tier 2.
You offer your merchants both a storefront as well as logistics, but where do you derive revenue?
Well, we derive revenues from all our services. From e-commerce IT, we have fees, for setting up sites in marketplaces as well as our own brand site. E-operations, where we get a regular income, and for deploying dedicated store management teams to our merchants, and then sales commission from the sales that we are able to generate, for the merchants. And then for production, we charge fees, for photography, for e-marketing and social media activities. Of course, there will be charges for each and every item of activities. And then for e-fulfillment, it's rental, those storage fees, as well as handling fees of products and distribution fees. So each and every services would carry a charge, to the merchants.
Now, this listing was aiming to raise $30 million. Are acquisitions a key focus for growth?
Yes, that is one of our primary objectives of raising funds from ASX to enable us to fund, target acquisitions, to beef up, the services that we can provide to the merchants.
When will the company reach break even?
In our own budget, we expect 2015, to be break even, and thereafter we expect, we'll be having a very good, bumper years ahead.
And looking forward, how do you see the future of eCargo for the next 12 to 24 months?
As everybody expects, China's online business is still uncharted waters, despite the fact that it's now already the biggest market, online market in the world. I think there was a consultant's report which predicted by 2020, the one online market in China will be equivalent to the summation of the next 5 which is USA, UK, Japan, Germany, and France. So you can see the potential of that online business in China. And we are in the enabling business to bring international brands and retailers to trade and grow, in the China market.
Excellent. Well, a lot to look forward to. Gentlemen, thank you for speaking with FNN.
Thank you very much, John.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.